Hello everyone! Welcome back to Lina's Kitchen. Today I will be sharing with you my easy recipe about Russian honey cake. This cake is a big classic cake from Russian cuisine. I have been doing this cake for more than 20 years and this recipe will never disappoint you. Prepare your ingredients, come with me to the kitchen and let's get started. I have sugar, honey, eggs, butter, baking soda, and flour. In a saucepan, pour your sugar, your honey, and your butter. In a medium-high heat, cook all those ingredients until everything is melted and well incorporated, without stop stirring your ingredients. Whenever everything is melted and well incorporated, now it's time to add our eggs. Turn your stove to very low heat. Add your baking soda. Beat your eggs very well and add it after baking soda. Mix this mixture very fast and very well to avoid cooking your eggs. Stir this mixture for about 2 or 3 minutes in high speed with low heat. After that, you can increase your heat from medium to high. Cook this mixture for about 10 to 15 minutes until it becomes dark in color and will give you caramelized smell. When you reach this brown golden color, pour your mixture in a big bowl. Let it cool it down for about 5 minutes. After that, start to add your flour until you get a soft dough. Mix your flour with a hand mixer because the mixture is very hot. Be careful, you will burn your hands. Whenever you finish your flour, you can use your hand and this mixture will cool down a little bit. Now you will get soft and non-sticky dough. Now it's time to open our dough. Open up your dough, cut it the size that you want and bake it for about 15 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. Repeat the same thing until you finish all your dough. After 15 minutes, you will get nice and crunchy layer for Russian honey cake. For my cake toppings, I prepared some lollipop decorations with fondant. And for my ice cream cone topper, I mixed a little bit of graham crackers cookies with a little bit of syrup. Mix everything well and you can make a ball for your ice cream cone. I filled my Russian honey cake with heavy whipping cream. I beated my heavy whipping cream with the confectioner sugar. When you fill your cake with your cream, try to put same amount of your cream in each layer to get a nice and beautiful cake layers. Put the last layer upside down to get a nice and beautiful flat cake. Crumb coat your cake with your heavy cream and leave it in your fridge for about 1 hour. Heavy cream was my first crumb coat for my cake, but heavy cream is not very stable cream to your cake. You have to do the second crumb coat, and I will do it with cream cheese cream and a little bit of heavy cream because cream cheese is very stable and cream cheese cream will give you a nice and beautiful shape to your cake. Beat your cream cheese with the heavy cream and little bit of color. I did use Wilton color. Put your cream in a piping bag with a flat nozzle. This step will help you to distribute your cream evenly in your cake and you will get a nice and beautiful shape. And with a scraper, try to put this cream evenly in every corner in your cake and smooth out your cake to get a nice and beautiful edges and shape. After that, put it in your fridge for about 1 hour. For my chocolate drips, I melted my white chocolate with a little bit of heavy cream and pink color in my microwave. Pour your chocolate drips on the top of your cake. Stick your cone quickly before those drips get dry. Try to pour your chocolate drips evenly on the top of your cake. To make your cake more festive, put a lot of sprinkles on the top. I did put some sprinkles on the top of my ice cream cone and in the edges of my cake. And for other toppings, I prepared some pretzels covered with chocolate and little bit of sprinkles. I prepared some lollipops, some donuts, and of course, LOL dolls. Put your toppings the way that you want or the way that your client wants. Don't forget to secure your toppings with a toothpick to avoid any damage. Russian honey cake is suitable cake for any occasion. You can use it with a classic decoration or this decoration or the decoration that you want. I will show you the cake inside and I will show you the classic decoration. Look at those beautiful and thin layers of cake and look at the classic shape. This is the classic shape of Russian honey cake. And it's up to you. You can choose the decoration that you want. I hope you like my video and you will try my recipe. See you in the next video. Bye!